Maragsakan kami ako nga mangipresenta. May kadwa nga hearing ni datoy. May panggap ti pinag-usar, si vape, and sinama na rin namin tobacco smoking actually datoy. So, well attended met aming sektor, including the business establishment, and also those selling vape, also from the health office, from DTI, and well attended, pati naman mga board members very active sa pagbigay ng mga suggestions para lalo pa yung pumingkas na ito yung mga ordinansa. Definitely, nakaipandi tayo ang task force na dito, amwenda no natin ang gramit. Mostly, awamon sa baling, mabaling magkuha nga digito'y LGU, lalo digito'y traffic enforcers, isuda ngamin ti nakababa at ditadaldalan, isuda ti makikita what is on the ground. So, mostly, sudan tuwat lang, pero kasama ang health office, municipal health office, and even the city health office.
So, dali kita may kabil ito nga smoking area na to?
Yes, we will explicit namin the ordinance nga dapat at the designated. We are not prohibiting it per se, totally. We're just trying our best na i-regulate siya. At the same time, make sure na there's a designated area where you can smoke, where you can vape. Ang maganda dito is we'll make sure na separate ang tobacco smoking area and from the vaping area. So adang min sa bali nga kuha na dayjay, na area na dayjay.
Ikaw DJ perimeter ko.
Yes, the perimeter, siyempre we'll have to abide with the national law that selling of vape products, including cigarettes, within school premises, considered 100 meters dapat bawal na class. So it will be up to the local government unit to impose as such.
Sige ka, dahil siyang gino, doktor, kat mag-ginom ka, karamraman na dito pa nagsigarilyo, kasana dito doktor?
No, kasi ko namin, no within a public place, which is considered, unless there is a designated dun sa premises nila, nga dito kayo pwedeng magsigarilyo, pwede di guy. No within public place, di public place kasi namin talagang very broad iso na. No ada ka dita kalye, bawal public data. Da ka ta parks, da ka ta unekta may isang building, nga public, nunumo ti tao, public place data. So ipagbabawal na. The beer house will try to be very ask them through their business and licensing office nga i-require nga dapat at the ex-post pa. Para naman as what was suggested by one of the vape owners nga building ni or paglakwan ni at the paming ex-post pan di jay. You can only go with the one that is provided by law, by the local government law, which is the highest is 5,000 and the lowest is depende kung kasano. Pero no awan tuman o damatiliw we'll trying our best then to our legal office or dito sa SP secretary nga damat legal officer ni nga numabalin ti community service like equivalent to a daily wage. So no 2,000 like no kuma 500 pesos 4 days nga community service depende. We'll try still to our very best na lalo pa yung i-refine dating ordinansa. But giagla ko hindi gumatang almost the same pero siyempre at the corresponding niya with their business and licensing office. Pwede nga baka mamaya ilang beses na niyang ginawa yon, yung third offense baka may katanti or masuspend or may katanti lisensya ng aglakon.
Sir, dapat naka-detail dalat ta kadigit sa public areas or do you plan to put CCTVs kadigit itap no?
Siyempre, for me, ideal, may CCTV. Pero it depends on the LGU kung may kakayanan ba silang bumili. Alam mo naman natin, ang multi-met tigito LGU but adong mo ti other services na nga mabalin na ano ngam no at digiti CCTV like example is in Davao, in Baguio, at digiyan nakamunta pero these are highly urbanized areas. So may kaya sila. So it will all depend on the enforcement talaga. Pero more on the enforcement are yung mga nasa on the ground. Those are our enforcers. Not necessarily it's traffic. PNP, pwede rin silang manguli. Pwede rin, yung sabi ko nga kanina, yung mga members ng city or municipal health office.